smallest natural number that when divided by 3, so our natural number, when divided by 3, remainder gives you a remainder of 1. So we don't know what the quotient is. Let's just call it q plus 1. The same number, if you divide by 4, is a different quotient. So let's call it maybe q1 and maybe q2. This time the remainder is 2. Okay, and finally when divided by 5, different quotient, and this time remainder is 3. Okay, so our number is gives you, when you divide by 3, gives you a remainder of 1. 4, 2. Okay, so and 5 is 3. Let's start with 2. Think about all 3 at once is kind of hard. So if you want to have a remainder of 2 when you divide by 4, you have to be exactly 2 different from a multiple of 4, right? So numbers like, first number that would work is 6. Okay, divide that by 4 because it's exactly 2 off from a multiple of 4 or 8, right? So let's stick with these numbers, 6, and then we just keep adding 4 to it, 10, right? Add 4, you get 14. You can see that now if you divide this one by 3, this is a multiple of 3, so that doesn't work, but this one works. Okay, that one works. However, so this is kind of good news. Maybe we found it, but if we check and divide by 5, we actually don't get a remainder of 3, so that doesn't work. So let's keep going up the list because we want to find the smallest one possible. Next one will be 18, right? So what about 14? If you divide by 3, you get a remainder of 2, so that doesn't work. Okay, 18 divide by 3, this is a multiple of 3, so that won't work either. So add 4 again, let's keep going. 22. So 22. How about this one? It works with this, but it doesn't work with this. Okay, so 26 doesn't work. Next one is 30. 30 is a multiple. All right, 34. Okay, so 34, it works with this, and if you divide by 5, you get a remainder of 4 instead of 3. It doesn't work. Okay, so let's keep going up. 38. The next one will be 42. 42 won't work because it's a multiple of 3. And then we go up again, it's 46. So if you divide this by 3, okay, it won't work. And note that actually the one that we actually got to try, the first one we tried was 10. And the next one, it worked with these two, was this. So we have to skip 2, and we tried this one. Skip 2, now we're trying this one again. This won't work either because it'll only give you a remainder of 1. Okay, then we have to skip 2. So let's skip the 50 and 54. Okay. The one after that would be 58. So this one here does work with this, right? What about this? It works with this and works with this. So this is a number. So it seems like a pretty brute force method, but as we were listing the numbers, we saw some pattern, right? This worked. Skip 2, it works. Skip 2, it works. So really, if you notice that pattern, we really only have to try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers to get to 58. 58 is what we want.